my channel. My name is Sammy Jayne, and if you are new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I feel like I haven't started a video like that in such a long time. I kind of forgot what I was doing. Anyway, today's video is a really exciting one because a company called Madam Glam got in touch with me and they asked me if I would like them to send me some things, and if I wanted, I could do a video or like some Instagram posts or whatever. I'm not being paid in any way, and it was so nice of them to send me this, and I was so excited when it came in the mail. So basically, this is the Madam Glam How to Get Gorgeous Gel Nails. It just says that on the back. I was just reading it, by the way. I'm really sorry, but it is so hot right now. I'm literally like melting. I never wear my hair down, it's too hot. So basically, I think you get to choose the three like colours that you want. I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside, and then I will try and explain a little bit. But it comes with this salon quality finish, long lasting formula, up to 2 weeks, perfect shine. Get ready gel, ready steady gel starter kit. And I think, I'm not 100% sure. So your starter kit includes 3 gels of your choice, 1 9-watt pocket LED lamp, 10 gel remover wraps, 1 wooden cuticle pusher and 1 double grit nail file. So they did ask me if I wanted to choose the gel polishes, and I was like, no, you guys go ahead and you send me like whatever you want. So they did. So I'm not going to like show you too much like right now. I'm going to actually properly get into it, and we're going to film a video using these gels. We're going to actually try them out, and I'm really very excited about it. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have got the beautiful Rosie here ready to have her nails painted, and just letting you see these colours properly now. So we have got Ocean Eyes, Baby Girl, and I don't even know how to say that, but y'all can see how to say that. So this is a 1-step gel polish, and it says it's a 3-in-1 base coat, top coat and colour. Now I do have a discount code. It is sammy30, and you get 30% off from the from Madam Glam, which I just think is insane. I'm so like grateful for them to like have sent me this stuff and to give me this discount code for you guys. I'm so excited. So please, if you want to get yourself a little bit of a bargain, then go ahead. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below, and I'll leave like the code and the link to the website and all that jazz. So I want to be able to show you guys all these colours. So I think what I'm going to do is a swatch on each finger and then a marble. I'm going to marble them all together on one finger, because you guys know how I roll by now, and you know that I love my marbles. So let's just go in and have a bash at this. I've just got my little lamp on charge, but it should be ready for when we need it, and I've never used one of those little lamps, so I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to go in with Baby Girl on the baby finger. I feel like that just kind of makes sense. I hope that the lighting is good for you guys. I have been playing about a little bit, so hopefully it will be. Wow, that is a well pretty colour. That is so pretty. I might as well do that, like, I don't think there's any point doing one and then curing and then one and then curing. I'm just going to do them all and then cure. I'll do the marble last though. I'll do them all, cure them, and then I'll do the marble. Wow, this one is really pink. Oh, oh my god, I love this one. That is very pigmented. It's really hard to actually see because it's, you guys won't think it's really bright, but the light's really bright on the nails, and it's like, it actually makes it quite difficult to see. Wow, how nice is that? Just want to try and get it right in the cuticle. I mean, I think I will do one more later, but you probably could get away with just one layer of that. I want that on my nails. I feel like those two would make a really nice ombre, but I'm not very good at ombre in gel. And because I'm trying to like show you guys these products, I don't want to like make a mess, if you know what I mean. But maybe we'll try that in another video. This is actually a really nice colour as well, although it's not my... I'm not a bluey greeny kind of girl, but actually this is really nice. Ooh! I don't even feel like the pink one needs another coat at all. I don't know what you guys think. What I might just do is, because I'm going to go in a marble, I'm just going to do the cuticle area with this. Just so we can then go in and marble it afterwards. Right, I'm going to cure them. So where's my little lamp? Hopefully it'll be charged enough. I've never used one of these before. Oh, it's actually not going to cure them all, is it? Because obviously it's only like that, so it's only going to cure one at a time. So I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll cure these normally, and I'll use the lamp on the marble nail so we can actually see it in action. So I've cured that. I'm going to go in with another coat. This pink's really pretty. And very, very natural. It's not as pigmented as the other ones. So like you would definitely need like at least 2 coats. I always think that pale ones are harder to work with as well. That is pretty though. Okay, the pink. Try not to touch that and ruin it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this pink. Now, I'm guessing then, are these not going to have a sticky layer because it's a 3-in-1? We need to find that out, and I will be finding that out for you guys. I mean, obviously, I know that a lot of top coats do have a sticky layer as well. I'm just used to using ones that don't. I love a good no-wipe top coat. Right, I'm going to cure them again, and then we'll go and do the marble, and we'll test this little lamp out. Right, guys, I have cured that, and I am really, really excited to say there isn't even a sticky layer on this. Like, it's just ready to go. It's literally paint and go. I'm not even joking. I'm well impressed right now. So let's see. I mean, I can't imagine why there would be any issue. It just feels like a normal gel, so I'm sure there won't be any issue in marbling. But let's give it a go and see what we get. Love gel polish marble. Saying that, I haven't actually done it for a while, so it is possible I've forgotten how to do it. Let's hope I haven't, but I probably should have actually done the blue just over the whole nail, just so that thingy, but never mind. I don't want to get any contamination or anything, so I'm just making sure there's none left on my brush. Right, I'm going to have to start marbling this because it's starting to run. Ah, it's running into the cuticle. Oh, there's hairs all over my flipping worktop. That'll do for the pink, for the light pink. Oh, that light pink actually marbles really nicely in with it all. Might put a bit more on. Just a little bit more. Sorry if I'm not in shot, it's hard to see because... that is so pretty, I love it. Sorry if my hand's a bit shaky, guys. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. How cute is that? I just need to clean up the edge and then I will cure it in that lamp. Right, so turn it on. Please work. Oh, it's not turning on. Let's plug it back in and then turn it on. I haven't charged it, but I just realised I tried it and it worked, but that's probably because it was plugged in. Duh. You do need to be careful with marble because it all tends to pool around the little edge, so hopefully I can get this on in time. There we go, so it's on, and I'm just going to put it over it. And hopefully it'll cure it. Oh, look how like glowy it looks under there. Love it. It does say on the bottle to cure for LED 30 to 60 seconds and UV 2 minutes. So that's gone off now. So I'm guessing that's how long it's supposed to take. I mean, it feels all right, but I'm going to put it in a little bit longer because I just get a little bit like, Okay, guys. So just a quick little, let me just show you what else you get in this kit that I got. You get little nail file and an orange stick. And you also get these, which I think is really cute. These little soak off gel things to soak them off afterwards, which is just a super cute little touch. So, yeah. Right, let's talk about the polish. Now, I've never used Madam Glam before. And I have to say, I'm seriously impressed. I'm not just saying that because they sent me them for free. Like, I don't have to do a review. They sent me it. They were like, if you can do a review, that'd be great, but don't worry if you can't. Like, there's no obligation here. There's nothing. I have no reason to, like, lie in any way. I don't get anything from the discount code. It's just there for you guys to get, like, a % off. And I'm guessing that I can use it as well if I want to buy some. But I have to say, I am seriously, I can't even believe I'm going to say this, and I know it's a really bold statement, but I think these are the best gel polishes I've ever used. And look how shiny they are. I don't know, there's something about these where, like, the sticky layer thing's actually a big bonus for me because I hate, the sticky layer annoys me so much in gel polishes. And there isn't one with this, like, literally, no base coat, no top coat. You put it on, you cure it, and you're done. And look how shiny it is. Like, look how shiny it is. I don't want to sound like I'm just talking a load of rubber. Look how shiny they are. Like, this is for real. I'm touching them as well, and they're not, like, losing the shine. And I'm just well impressed. If I had the money, I would buy a whole new gel polish selection of these, I think. I think they are in America. I'll just say that. So if you are, for my UK viewers, you can still order, I'm assuming. Go on the website and check it out. I haven't even been on yet because I was so excited. I just wanted to get this video filmed, like, as soon as possible. I'm so impressed. So impressed. Like, no. I feel like this one could have possibly done with a third coat just because it's a paler colour. But, man, I'm like... for real. And you can choose to believe me or think I'm just saying it because they sent me it for free, but I'm well impressed. I'm like, really? I want more of these colours. I want more. They're so good. I love them. And they marbled really, really easily as well. Like all gel polishes do marble easy. I love to gel polish marble. It's one of my favourites. But yeah. So I'm very, very pleased. That is my verdict. I would say well worth it. Like, this little set's really cute as well, and you choose your own 3 polishes to come with, like, the set, or they do have their own polishes to try out. Having said that, they probably do have different ranges, and like, this is, these are the 3-in-1, and I'm sure they have, like, just normal polishes. Maybe I wouldn't like them as much. Maybe it's just this specific, like, formula, but I really, really like it. So I'm definitely going to try out some more Madam Glam products, and yes. So that is it for this video. I feel like I rambled a little bit at the end, but I'm just like, I'm really, really pleased. I'm going to try these on myself as well. Like, I do need to do this hand, but I don't know how long I'm going to be able to have it on for, so it's easy to use nail varnish. Anyway, that's not important. So yeah, yeah, I'm well impressed. I really, really like these. And if you want to check them out, the discount code's down below. I'll leave the link to the website. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I would love you guys to join. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.